the wait is almost over. Apple's next-generation iPad Pro with the M5 chip is just around the corner, and the leaks are painting a fascinating picture of what's coming. A recent unboxing video by a Russian YouTuber which surfaced about a week ago gave us a surprisingly close look at the upcoming device. The design seems nearly identical to the M4 iPad Pro, with one peculiar difference. The usual iPad Pro on the back appeared to be missing. This could suggest either a prototype unit or an early production sample that hadn't gone through final engraving. While that detail remains uncertain, the real excitement lies inside the device. The brand-new M5 chip. The video confirmed that the model tested carried the M5's binned version, featuring a 9-core CPU setup, 6 efficiency cores, and 3 performance cores. Similar to how the M4's lower variant was structured, the showcased model had 256 gigabytes of storage, indicating that Apple hasn't upgraded the base configuration this year. The same 256 gigabytes and 512 gigabytes tiers are expected, while the higher-end 1 terabyte and 2 terabyte options should ship with the full-power M5 chip, likely featuring a 10-core CPU. Interestingly, Apple has also bumped up the RAM for the base model from 8 gigabytes on the M4 iPad Pro to 12 gigabytes on the M5. This brings it closer to the A19 Pro chip used in the iPhone 17 Pro models, which also packs 12 gigabytes of RAM. The early benchmark results revealed even more. GPU performance has reportedly improved by around 36% compared to the M4 version, while CPU gains are a modest 12%. Clearly, Apple's focus this year is on graphics and AI-driven performance, rather than raw CPU speed. As for design rumors, speculation about smaller bezels and larger displays, such as a 13.5-inch or 11.5-inch version, appears to be off the table. The leaked unit looked visually identical to the M4 variant, meaning the display sizes will likely remain unchanged. However, the camera story is a bit more intriguing. Previous reports hinted at a dual front camera system, one for portrait and one for landscape orientation, to improve Face ID and video calling in both modes. Given Apple's focus on hybrid work and content creation, such an addition would make practical sense. Interestingly, all signs point to an imminent launch. Gurman has confirmed that iPad Pro M4 stocks are rapidly depleting at major retailers, signaling that Apple is clearing inventory ahead of the new model. The announcement is expected to arrive by late October 2025, possibly through a smaller online Apple event, alongside the introduction of other M5-powered devices, such as the next MacBook Pro and Vision Pro 2. Pricing should remain unchanged from the M4 generation. The 11-inch iPad Pro will likely start at $999, while the 13-inch version will continue at $1,299 for the Wi-Fi model.